Yeah, good day, everyone. So today we'll be learning how to install Unity and what is Unity itself. So the question, what is Unity? What is Unity generally? So Unity is a software in which we use in building computer games, in which we use in building mobile games, and also virtual reality experience. Unity can be used to build virtual reality experience. So to get started with Unity, you go to your Chrome and type unity.com. Unity.com. So this is the website of Unity in which there are several of in which Unity is used for them. It is used in gaming. It is used in industry for creating to like card to actually data. And Unity, it is these are some of the stuff we can go through. So to get started with Unity, so the first thing you are going to do is sign up here. So you see where you can sign up here. I've already signed up my own account here. So you sign up an account there. Right, if you log in, then here you come here, go create. You see where you can download. So if you click on the download button, it will take you here in which you will be able to get started. So it is very user friendly, which it will tell you the step in which you can do to get started with Unity. So the first thing we need to do to install Unity is we need Unity Hub. Unity Hub is just like a side software which you can use for launching your games. I mean, for launching your Unity project. So let's say in my own case, I'm using Windows. If you are using Mac, you click on download for Mac. But in my own case, I'm using Windows, so I'll click on download for Windows. So you click on download or verify file. So let me go to my download. So I'll wait for it to download. So after you have downloaded it, finished, you can open the file. You can show a folder. Yeah. So this is the Unity that you downloaded, right? So you just double click on try to double click on this setup that you just downloaded by double clicking on it. Yeah. So you the license agreement, then you click on I agree. Yeah, you can leave it in this default folder by clicking on install. So let's wait for it to install. So let's wait for it to install. Some people, if your laptop is slow, it might take some minutes. Yeah, so it is done now. So I can now run Unity by clicking on finish button. By clicking on this button, then let's wait for it to open. If you did not see it open, you can go to your search bar and search for Unity. It's already open. So let's wait for it. Yeah. So in my own case, this is all you will see. This is all you will see. The first time of launching your Unity. So it will tell you to sign in. So you click on sign in button. By clicking on sign in button, it will open your Chrome again. In which since you already signed in, since you have already signed in the first place before you downloaded it, so you'll be able to see exactly what I'm seeing. But if you haven't, then that means you have to sign up. Then you'll be able to sign by it will pop this up if you already signed in on your code. Then you click on this open Unity up. By clicking on this button, it will sign you in automatically. Can you see signing in? So the next thing you want to do is install. So you want to install, you go to we have four buttons here. So can you see this button, installs button? So you click on here to install the Unity version that we want. So clicking on here, installs. So by default, you won't be able to say anything if this is your first time of installing. So you click on install editor. you click on install editor on this button. By clicking here, yeah, you'll be able to see different versions that you want to download. So now let's assume that we are using Unity 2021. Let's say for our project we are using Unity 2021, so you won't be able to see it here, right? So what you want to do is go to archive, click on this button, or go back to the website. So go back to this website. Can you see? Choose your Unity version. Choose your Unity version. You want to download a version that you want. You don't want any of it. Let's say we are looking for 20. Can you see that 2021 is not present here, right? Can you see that 2021 is not present here? Okay, 2021 is present. Let's say we want to download 2021.4. Can you see that 2021.4 is not present here? So let's say that's what I want to download. So you go back here. So can you see visit download archive? You click here, visit download archive. You're clicking on this button. Yeah. So there are several versions that you can download. So our interest is in 2021, right? So by clicking on this Unity 2021X, so you'll be able to see several versions that we are interested in. So I think Unity stopped at 2021.3, right? Yeah, 2021.3. Now let's say I want to download any version of our trade. Let's say, for example, I want to download 2021.2. Can you see? Let's say we are using, because whenever we are working on any project, we have to use the same version so that there won't be error when you are working. Maybe when you want to launch your game, there won't be errors. So let's say you want to use 2021, you just click on Unity Hub. Since you have already installed Unity Hub, so you click on this Unity Hub, it will pop up. Unity Hub will pop up. Can you see? Let me click on it. Can you see? Allow Unity to open this. Can you see? Open Unity Hub 2021.2, right? Can you see? Can you see? 2021.2. Can you see that it's popped? I'm able to select it from the Unity Hub directly. Can you see? So if you want to download, now let's say you want to download, so it will automatically take Microsoft Visual Studio 2019. That's what we are using. So you check this. If you don't have it already, you make sure you check it. Even if you have it, make sure you check it. So let's say we are building an Android that was already automatically check the Android V support. If it doesn't check it, make sure it is checked. OpenJDK, make sure it is checked. Android SDK and NDK to make sure they are both checked. So you can now continue by clicking on the button continue. Then Visual Studio, you are going to the license. Let's continue. Then Android Studio and SDK license tab from Google. Yeah, you are going to agree. Then you are going to install. So you are going to wait for it to install. It may take some minutes to install. But in my own case, I already have yeah, so in my own case, I already have some version that I've already installed, right? So now let's say you want to start a project. You go to project tab by clicking on project. Can you see this tab? Clicking on this button, project. Then can you see Unity? Can you see new project? By clicking on this project, new project. Then you want to create a new project. By clicking on it. Yeah, so we have several templates that you can work with. Let me explain to you. So 2D template is a 2D built-in weather pattern. Template in which we use for creating 2D games. So 3D built-in weather pattern is used for creating 3D games. Games like what's the name of this game? Okay. So we have other ones that we have VR, we have Universal 3D sample. But we'll get back to all this template later. So the one we're interested in is 3D built-in weather pattern, which is the default standard. So here you come here, you select the location in which you want to emit it to be by clicking here, right? So in my own case, I've already chose document GitHub. So this is where all my projects will be stored. So you select it. So now the name of your project, let's say I want to use test sample. Then you click on create project, right? Then you go to create project. So another thing I want to show you. So when you are installing, you might not be able to install, right? So